Transform your video production from ordinary to extraordinary with the groundbreaking capabilities of Higgsfield AI. First, let's dive into integrating Higgsfield AI into your existing video workflow. Our platform is designed for seamless integration, allowing you to bring AI-powered enhancements directly into your project. You'll begin by accessing the Higgsfield AI dashboard, typically found as a plugin or standalone application depending on your setup. Once within the Higgsfield AI interface, you'll notice a range of powerful tools. For this tutorial, we'll focus on how to apply a specific AI enhancement. You'll select your desired video clip directly from your project files and then browse through the various AI modules available. Each module is designed to address a specific aspect of video improvement, from subtle color grading adjustments to dramatic stylistic transformations. Here, you can see the magic happen. We've chosen a cinematic look module that analyzes your footage and intelligently adjusts color, contrast, and lighting to achieve a professional, cinematic feel. Many modules offer adjustable parameters, allowing you to fine-tune the intensity of the AI's effect to perfectly match your creative vision, ensuring the final output is exactly what you intended. Beyond visual enhancements, Higgsfield AI also empowers you with creative automation. Perhaps you need to generate dynamic role based on a script, or automatically apply consistent visual effects across multiple clips. Higgsfield AI can analyze your input and generate these elements efficiently, saving you significant time and effort that you can then reinvest into higher-level creative decisions. The real power of Higgsfield AI lies in its ability to unlock new levels of creativity. Imagine generating entirely new visual styles, creating complex motion graphics with simple prompts, or even intelligently upscaling low-resolution footage to pristine quality through intuitive controls and powerful AI algorithms. Higgsfield AI puts these advanced capabilities at your fingertips. By integrating Higgsfield AI into your video production pipeline, you're not just using a tool, you're partnering with an intelligent creative assistant. This allows for unprecedented automation, stunning visual appeal, and a significant boost in your creative output, truly transforming how you bring your video projects to life. Explore Higgsfield AI today and redefine your video destiny.